Hello students of class 11 of Vidya Bhavan school. Hope you are all doing well. So today in this video we will discuss some of the points from gains from trade. Basically we will focus on the restriction that we face when we are engaged in some kind of international trade. I have already told you in the class that we face many kind of restriction when we are engaged in some kind of trade. That restriction can be in the form of tariff, quota, that is basically price restriction. Now always it is not mandatory that it have to be a price restriction. It can also be quantitative restriction. Okay, that is a restriction that is put on the quantities. Okay, so first of all we will talk about tariff. Okay, now tariff can also be called as import duty. Why we call tariff as import duty? Because tariff is a kind of tax that we generally impose when we import something. So we call tariff as import duty. So we can write the definition of tariff as is a type of tax that is imposed when some good is being imported. Okay, now tariff can be charged in two ways, or you can say tariff can be of two type. Okay, now one is specific duty. One is specific duty and the other one is ad valorem duty. What is specific duty? When tax is imposed on per unit basis. Per unit basis. And what is this one? When tax is imposed on the total value of the goods imported, right? Total value of the goods imported. Okay, so if I give you an example of specific duty and ad valorem duty. Okay, so specific duty, suppose your per unit tax charge is rupees 3. Okay, tax per unit is rupees 3. Now you have imported 20 units of a commodity. Okay, so what is the amount of tax or specific duty? In this case it is specific duty you have to pay. So the total amount of tax is 20 into 3. Okay, no, not 20 into 3, that is your price is now, what is the price after price per unit, or you can say yes, price per unit after paying the tax. Suppose if the price of the good which I am importing is rupees 10 and you have to pay rupees 13 now, this will become 10 plus 3. So now the price of each commodity is 13. You have to pay this 13, this 3 tax, rupees 3 tax for each and every unit of the good that you are importing. Got it? Now what is ad valorem tax? Ad valorem tax is you have to pay on the total value of the goods you are importing. Suppose you have imported 20 units of good and the money value of the goods is suppose 200. Okay, now you will pay the tax on this whole amount. That is, suppose the tax is 10%. So 10% of 200 you have to pay as the tax, not on each and every good that you are importing. So this we will calculate on the basis of the total amount of the value of the good that you are importing. Okay, so these are the two basic kinds of tariff that we generally face when we are engaged in some kind of international trade. Okay, first one is specific duty and the Another one is ad valorem duty. Okay, so I am keeping this much in this video. We will continue some other restriction in the next video. I hope you have understood. Thank you.